Reading of the poem Money Madness by D.H. Lawrence. David Herbert Lawrence, 1885 to 1930, whom we know as D.H. Lawrence, was a poet, literary critic, and a novelist. His novels are also very famous, and his novels are considered to be part of the stream of consciousness type of novels. He is also a very good poet, which is seen in this poem, Money Madness, which is a world famous and very popular poem. Because generally, in modern age also, we speak about money madness. Or, on the other hand, we can say that in modern world, we talk more and more about money madness. The same topic has been considered by D.H. Lawrence in this poem some 100 years before, in nearly 1910 to 15. So we shall read out the poem and then just see in three or four sentences something about the meaning of the poem. Money is our madness, our vast collective madness. And of course, if the multitude is mad, the individual carries his own grain of insanity around with him. I doubt if any man living hands out a pound note without a pang, and a real tremor if he hands out a £10 note. We quell. Money makes us quell. It has got us down. We grovel before it in strange terror. And no wonder, for money has a fearful, cruel power among men. But it is not money madness we are terrified of. But it is not money madness we are terrified of. It is the collective money madness of mankind. For mankind says with one voice, how much is he worth? How much is he worth? Has he no money? Then let him eat dirt and go cold. And if I have no money, they will give me a little bread so I do not die. But they will make me eat dirt for it. I shall have to eat dirt. I shall have to eat dirt if I have no money. It is that I am afraid of. It is that I am afraid of, and that fear can become a delirium. It is fear of my money mad fellow men. We must have some money to save us from eating dirt. And this is wrong. And this is wrong. Bread should be free, shelter should be free, fire should be free to all and anybody, all over the world. We must regain our sanity about money before we start killing one another about it. It's one thing or the other. So this is poem about money madness, and more precise to say collective money madness. The poet says, D.H. Lawrence, he says that it is not the money madness which are that we are afraid of up to a great extent. Yes, we are afraid of money madness, no doubt about it. But we are really afraid of the collective money madness of mankind. And that should be taken care of. So, we shall see the meaning of the poem in detail in the second video.